We should turn this on. All right. Hmm. A little SMT here, possibly. Yeah, there's already some SMT, and we have technically swept the highs. And there has been a 15-minute displacement below, accumulating. Why is this not showing? I feel like something is wrong with this. Must be midnight. So Asia, and then London expands above midnight, sweeping these equal highs. And NASDAQ has same thing. London also took out this high, so that's a displacement there. Or SMT. Maybe we can find a smaller time frame SMT, possibly. We'd want NASDAQ to be weaker though. So I'm not convinced here. I think this could just come back down and then go back up. Because we want to see NASDAQ, we want to see ES be the one to create that next high versus NASDAQ. So I'm willing to miss the short for that. I'm gonna wait for everything to fall into my lap here. Yeah, still some relative equal highs being created. So we're also holding up stronger now versus the Dow. Finally, just um, so there's some weakness in the Russell too. So there's double SMTs. That's what we're looking for, but at the same time, I'd want to see weakness in the Dow, not in the. Well, it might not matter with these pairs because SMT is SMT, and it's like sister type of a setup. But then there's relative equal highs here, so don't trust that. This high in accordance with this high and this high. So yeah, want to see this crack that. Makes a lot of sense that it will now. Relative equal highs, easy draw on liquidity here. So what about this candle specifically? Yeah. So yeah, expecting some sort of a pop today, or maybe even not even today. Um, maybe next week. I might not get anything today, but it's all good. Should you trade? Reasons for not trading today. Today's goals. All right. Yeah, that's what I gotta do today. Just typing out on the side here. All right. Where's my trading plan? So yeah, I could see us bouncing. Maybe we come down, sweep these lows, create an SMT with these two to get it long off of. That's not my setup. Since we have reason to go down now, to me it's not high probability to get long. So no SMT on the shorter time frame, and that's what you'd want to see to get short. So I think we may just be manufacturing sell side liquidity, and we're going to come down and then they're going to take it out. News and catalysts. Let me check my other news outlet. My news outlet. Hopefully my mic's not too quiet. Okay. What's the other news? Financial juice. I was gonna say jungle juice. Alright. Alright. What is today? The 9th. There's no news today. At all. And it's a Friday. Okay, well let's look at the weekly profile. So Monday came down up into Wednesday. Yeah, I don't know. This seems like it's a just a consolidation. I mean, if it all happens today, it makes sense, but a reversal come and create the wick, and then a downside move for a bearish candle. Look at the weekly candle. What the heck? New York Open week. Don't know where that's starting from, but weekly candle is just a giant wick. Oh, did I not take into account the Oh yeah, I guess we consider Sunday. So yeah, you'd open, come down, retrace back up into the open. Yeah, I could see us coming up here for the close, and then over the weekend we have some news. we dump over the weekend. But yeah, if we come up higher into the close today, that'd be something I'd want to swing, I think. We're back into the new week opening gap. Yeah. Breaking Canadian employment chain. Yeah, this could totally just dump from here. I'm keeping an open mind to that, but this isn't my setup, so I'm cool to just watch it dump and on us out. So there's no news today. What do we think's happening on the DXY? DXY has reason to go down now. Doesn't mean it will, but it's the same thing as the indices. Make a lot of sense for us to dip down into this weekly fair value gap that's not there for some reason. I don't know what's up with that. Maybe we're not syncing the drawings on the charts. Whatever. Yeah, for some reason it's not syncing. But yeah, it looks like we have enough reason to go down. Still makes sense for this to manipulate a little higher before that happens, but not close-minded to it. So yeah, dollar still waiting for that final leg down. And this price action is so slow. Do got a gap here. That just a gap up? Wow, there's just a gap up there. Didn't even notice. You're taking out our time frame. So yeah, maybe we come down, take yesterday's low, then rip all the way back up. Could be a slow day, or we just get a sell off. You know, it's whatever. Cool with whatever happens here. Don't like these equal highs, so that's why I think maybe another high takes this high out, creates SMT long for currencies or something. Midnight and Asian sessions. Midnight opened near the consolidation highs. We have taken both sides into London. Now small rejection so far. Updated plans. Daily and weekly bias. Let's just take a look at the weekly candles. So weekly displaced very hard down. And then this week we continue that sell off at this order block. Bounced all the way back up, and now we're just refilling some of this imbalance. Use these weekly candles. We have not reached a discount, especially on last week's candle. So that would make sense for us to like come up into at least 50%. So that'd be, I'm looking at the wrong thing. I want to look at like NASDAQ. NASDAQ looks like it's gotten pretty close. Needs higher on that last week's candle though. Versus ES, the same thing. The Dow, for some reason only has one down candle. But yeah. And the Russell, same thing. So yeah, we could definitely draw up higher. We may just need to work out the bottom of this area some more. Seems like we're just manufacturing more highs, which is exactly what happened to me a few weeks ago on my short. And I took a loss or two and then caught the short eventually. So yeah, I'm gonna stay out until the really clean short appears, and then I won't take, hopefully not a bunch of losses before. Um, so yeah, we're expected to accumulate shorts into the imbalance on the weekly and then distribute below the relative equal lows. That's my bias. And we have done that already, so yeah, I'm open to just missing the sell-off. Which does kind of suck, but didn't get what I was looking for. And then reaccumulate below those lows for a long trade. Be interesting to watch how this comes down and we create some sort of SMT. But anyways. Hmm. Areas of interest, I've already put those on. All right. That's about it. That is it for me. That's all I'm looking for. Maybe I'll set an alert here on JPY. These highs to be broken. Dollar. Watch for that high to be broken. And maybe that's it. Yes. Oh. So now we've taken out London PM and lunch. Not yet. So anyways, looks like Russell's green on the day. So I had a higher end of day for the New York. Yeah. The New York Open is much higher than the actual close. Probably, yeah, right here. But yeah, nothing super clean for me other than the higher time frame trade I'm looking for. Gonna see very selective again, like I was before. Um, yeah, this is just obviously manufacturing these highs to me. So always gonna stay with the odds. All right, that is the stream. I'll see you later.